Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about CSS flexbox. CSS flexbox is a very important property in CSS to display our element vertically or horizontally. This is a horizontal element. So there are too many properties like a flex container, flex items and flex responsive. First we will learn flex container topic. Flex container meaning like a div, you create a main parent, you create that's called div container. Flex container is called. So first I will open our folder. It is our course 19. I will open it with code. I will create a new file, index.html, and a CSS file, style.css. Style.css. Now I will write the full syntax in HTML with the help of Shift+1 and press enter. So now I will link the CSS file, and now I will create a main parent. Like here I will create a div. I will give it class flex container like this. Now I will press enter. Now in this I have to give elements, like I will give here another div. I will give another div. I will give in this I will write a class. I will give class flex content, and in this div I will give class flex data. Now I will press enter and I will write here h1. H1 I will write, and in h1 I will write flex I will write, and in this flex data container I will write h1, and in h1 I will write flex 2. Now I will open it with the live server. As you can see, there are two elements are here. First element is on the top and the second element is at the bottom, and we don't want like this, that it should come horizontally if we want. So we use this flex property. This one div, this is our main parent, and inside these two divs are its child. So this is a main container which is the most out, that is called the main parent. Like this HTML, this tag is the parent of whole HTML file. So like this. So I will target here flex container. Now I will give it display flex. So I will copy this. I will paste there because I didn't, it's a class and I forgot to add here dot, and now paste. So as you can see now they are displaying horizontally. As you know that h1 is a block level element, which means that it take whole 100% width, but display flex make any element like this that it only take that much width how much the content is written inside. Meaning like flex, these 4 alphabets are written, and that's why this h1 has taken only this much width after putting display property, this flex property. So now there are flex item. There are too many properties of flex items, like order, flex grow, flex shrink, flex basis, flex and align self. These are the properties of flex items. So now I will teach you. So first of all we will go here and I will write here flex wrap is a grow, is shrink, is basis and flow. All these are. So if I will give wrap, and I will give wrap and wrap, there are too many, like 3 properties of wrap, meaning no wrap, wrap and wrap reverse. If I will give wrap, meaning it will make it responsive when I will go to mobile screen, and if second element would not have any space, so it will come automatically to second line. I will show you. I will write some more data. Like here in this flex, I will write lorem 60, and in this flex too I will write lorem 60. As you can see, these are two divs and two containers. This is flex 1, this is flex 2, and automatically they are coming down because there was not any space. So I will add image and I will show you with example. I will cut these paragraphs and I will add an image. img I will write for image, and here same. Now I'll bring some images. Trees. I will take this image. I will copy the image link and I will paste in src. As you can see, now two images are came. This is first image and this is second image. And now I have add flex wrap, meaning when I will decrease, when I will come to mobile screen, so as you can see automatically this image didn't get space, so it came below. If I will not add here flex wrap property, and when I will shrink the size of the screen, so as you can see scroll is coming here. It's not responsive because in mobile scroll should not come in mobile screen. It's not an attractive website when this scroll comes, as you can see. So that's a flex wrap is important. Flex wrap. Now as you can see, this images came under under this image. So other is flex grow, flex shrink. These are not important because these are not used in websites. These are just for temporary work, you can say. Now it is flex responsive. Just now I shown you flex wrap. Just now I show you. As you can see, this is responsive. It's used for responsiveness. So if I will give here a flex direction. So here are four properties: column reverse, and row reverse. If I will give column, so meaning like vertically, column is called vertically and row is called horizontally, which is default after adding a flexor, display flexor. Row I will give, so as you can see it's now coming to in horizontal. If I will give reverse, so as you can see it's gone to other side, meaning it's now in right side. If I will give just a row, so it will come to left, it would be in left side. If I will give a reverse with it, so it will come to right side. If I will give here column reverse, so it will come to right with column, but column reverse is not working, so it's okay. Just like this we can add a flex direction. Here as you can see properties, and now just I teach you. This is CSS media queries, which are most important to make any website responsive. This media queries you will learn in the next videos. So thank you guys in this video. This much we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.